Hey everyone, today I will show you how to convert Word to PDF, and here's how it's done. Converting a Word document to a PDF can be done easily using various methods. Here are some common approaches. Method 1. Using Microsoft Word. Open the Word document. Open your file in Microsoft Word. Save as PDF. Go to File, Save As, or Export. Choose a location to save the file. In the Save As type drop-down menu, select PDF. Click Save. Method 2. Using Google Docs. Upload the Word file. Open Google Docs. Upload the Word document to Google Drive. Download as PDF. Open the document in Google Docs. Go to File, Download, PDF document, or .pdf. Method 3. Using a PDF printer. Install a virtual PDF printer if not already available. Open the Word document. Go to File, Print. Select the PDF printer from the list. Click Print and it will save your file as a PDF. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.